with the blade on it. So I don't need to get another head.
You need another converter.
Yes, well, that one, the other blade will stay on it, and this one will stay on this at all times. So we're ready for a blade, we'll just switch off. Yeah.
That's a bad motherfucker.
Yeah.
Dang.
And I need to buy an extra blade of that. I need to buy an extra blade of that right there, too.
This it. Look, they can focus on pulling. We got the fucking, just got this shit.
I need to buy another head. So one head with a weed eater.
So how much those cost to replace just the blade part?
Probably about $39 for the blade.
And they're supposed to last a while, too.
Yeah, they probably could be sharpened. But what I'm saying, all right, have the weed eater head. Don't never take out the weed eater. Just leave the weed eater. Just stay with the heads itself. And then have another head with the other one, the cutting brush, and this one with the saw. So you just switch it off of that and just have the heads. And then you have the head with the...
Hey, I never knew this said 91, the max one.
Yeah, I know it was 91. I know it was 91.
It had to be because it's
so the power.
All the shit, yeah.
So that's the power. Get the shit right here, boy. Hey, this better than the saw. You know you can go up too. Like ice, go up in the air and like trim. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, look, when your hand come out, that shit's so powerful. When your hand come out the gas, it turn off.
Yeah, because you don't want to just cut nothing.
Your shit, yeah.
Get it right here, dude. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
When they point up, we got them.
Oh, yeah. This is the deal right here, sir. Yeah, you got to ease up and let the gas pick up and let the motor run and get it full. You know the motor go down. And once you get the motor down, bam, you're back running.
Clear out. Clear this little piece right here.
Yeah, don't cut the big one right here, though. That's on them. Going up. Oh, what you let it all the way up first, then drive off? Yeah. Okay. Late night, man. Omar&Beyond. My boy Speedy, man. Got caught in the late night. Tree fell on the playground. Let me hold that one. Turn the light on that one so I can shine the light too. And we're using the phone lights. This is what you call Omar&Beyond right here. Yeah, man. Kids got to come to daycare tomorrow. I think this is the first time they opened since COVID. So she's trying to have a grand opening, and then this happened. And they called out Omar&Beyond. And Omar&Beyond is at the rescue. Sometimes it take a little long time to crank up, you know what I'm saying? Prime it up some. You got the sheet back on?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, for real? Mm-hmm. You gotta make some small chunks because this big is heavy. It take a little time for a crank up, boy. Since you ain't been crank up in about 2 days, gotta prime that thing up. There you go. Bring it back up. Now, you gotta pull that back for the run. That right there. No, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't touch this. I'm talking about this. This, make it run. Yeah.